Good day to all employer in Hong Kong. My name is Helen Gavina Mejia. I am 40 years old and married. I have 3 children, 1 daughter, age of 16, 2 boys, age of 11 and 7. My husband is a construction worker. My father is already deceased. My mother is a housewife. I have 4 brothers and 2 sisters. I am number 6 in our family. Madam and sir, this will be my first time to work in Hong Kong, but I have work experience in Lebanon for 5 years and 2 months. When I came to Lebanon, my employer was 7 months pregnant. When she gave birth, I am the one who took care of the baby. I can do bathing, feeding, and changing diaper. After 2 years, she got pregnant again. And when they become 2 years and 3 years old, I am the one who's sending them to the school. When they are in the school, I can do also household chore like cleaning, ironing, washing, and basic cooking. Madam and sir, if you will hire me, I will assure you that I am fast learner, hardworking, and I am very healthy, ma'am and sir. I am not smoking, drinking alcohol, and I am not taking any kind of medicine. If you will hire me, madam, see you soon in Hong Kong. Thank you.